Hello. Welcome to English for Beginners. Simple Stories. My name is Sarah. This podcast is for people who are starting to learn English. We speak slowly. We use simple words. Today you will hear a story. The story is about a day without a phone. You will hear a conversation between two friends. Their names are Anna and Carlos. They are talking about Carlos's day. His phone was broken. He had no phone for one day. First, you will hear the whole conversation. It is slow. It is clear. Are you ready? Let's begin. Listen to Anna and Carlos.
Hey, Carlos. You look different today. Calm. Peaceful. Did you go to yoga class or something?
Yoga? No way. I had something more extreme.
Oh? What's more extreme than yoga?
A full day without my phone.
Wait. What? You? Without your phone? You must be joking.
I wish I was. It broke yesterday morning. Just stopped working. Black screen. Dead.
Oh no. That sounds terrible. What did you do?
At first, I panicked. I pressed all the buttons. I even shook it like a ketchup bottle. Nothing.
Shaking it? Classic move.
I was desperate. My phone is like my life. My alarm, my map, my music, my everything.
So what happened next?
I realized I didn't even know what time it was. My phone is my clock. I just sat there, staring at the wall like, is it morning? Is it night? Am I late for work?
Oh no. You didn't have a watch.
Nope. And my smart speaker wasn't working because, guess what? It needed Wi-Fi.
So you were completely lost in time.
Exactly. I went to my neighbor's door to ask the time. He looked at me like I was crazy. Bro, don't you have a phone? He asked. I said, no, that's the problem.
That must have been so awkward.
Yeah. And then I tried to make breakfast. But guess what? I couldn't remember the recipe for my smoothie.
You usually use your phone for that, right?
Yep. My smoothie recipe is in my notes app. I had to guess. I added milk, banana, and salt.
Haha. Salt. In a smoothie.
I thought it was sugar. They look the same when you're half asleep.
That's terrible. How did it taste?
Like sadness and regret.
Haha. Okay, that's funny. But also kinda sad.
The worst part? I couldn't even take a picture of my disaster breakfast.
Ah, yes. The modern tragedy. If you didn't post it, did it even happen?
Exactly. No one will ever know how bad it looked.
So what did you do all day?
I decided to live like it was 1995. No phone. No apps. Just me and the world.
Wow. That sounds peaceful.
At first, no. I kept reaching for my pocket every 5 minutes. Like a reflex.
Phantom phone syndrome. I get that too when I forget mine.
Yes. My hand was like, where is it? Where is it? I felt like I'd lost a piece of my body.
That's kinda scary when you think about it.
It is. We're so connected to these little screens. It's like they control us.
True. But maybe it was a good experience, right?
After a few hours, yeah, it was. I started noticing things I never saw before.
Like what?
Birds. Actual birds. I didn't know there were so many outside my window.
Haha. You rediscovered nature.
And my neighbor's cat. She visits my balcony every day. I never noticed.
That's so sweet. Did you talk to anyone?
Yeah, I actually had a real conversation with a human.
No way. Without emojis?
Ha ha ha. Without emojis. I went to a cafe and instead of staring at my phone, I talked to the barista.
That's so rare these days. What did you talk about?
She asked if I was okay. She said I looked confused. I told her I lost my phone. She said that's brave.
Brave? Like you survived a storm.
Honestly, it felt like that.
So what did you do instead of scrolling or texting?
I watched people. Just observed. Everyone was on their phones. Couples, friends, even kids.
Yeah, that's sad, isn't it?
It really hit me. We're all together, but not really together.
That's true. Sometimes I sit with friends and we all just scroll. It's like we're there, but not present.
Exactly. And I realized how often I check my phone for no reason.
Yeah, same. I unlock it, look at nothing, lock it again. Like a habit.
Right. I read somewhere we touch our phones over 2,000 times a day.
Wow, that's crazy.
It is. But without it, I felt free. At first, lost, but later free.
That's beautiful.
I took a walk. Without music. Without directions. I just walked.
How did that feel?
Strange. Then nice. I noticed smells, sounds, people's faces.
You were really living in the moment.
Yeah. I even got a bit emotional.
Carlos, you solved it.
Hey, it was deep. I realized I don't need to take a picture of everything. Some moments are better just lived.
That's true. But be honest. Did you miss your phone?
Oh, of course. Especially when I got lost.
You got lost.
Yeah, I forgot the way back home. Usually I use GPS. So I had to ask people for directions.
That must have been weird.
Super weird, but also fun. I met this old man who gave me directions and told me a story about his youth.
That's amazing.
I realized how much human contact we miss when we just use our phones for everything.
You're right. We don't talk to strangers anymore. We just Google everything.
Exactly. But the world feels warmer when you talk to people.
So by the end of the day, how did you feel?
Honestly, peaceful. I watched the sunset. No pictures. Just watched it. It was perfect.
Wow, that's really nice.
But don't get me wrong. The next morning, I ran to the repair shop like my life depended on it.
I knew it.
I love peace, but I also love memes.
Fair enough.
Still, I promised myself one thing.
What's that?
To have one no-phone day every month. Just me, the world, and maybe some birds.
That's a great idea. Maybe I'll try it too.
Just don't add salt to your smoothie.
Haha. Deal.
That was Anna and Carlos. Carlos had a day without his phone. It was funny. It was hard. But in the end he learned something important. Sometimes, the best connection is the one with the world around you. This was today's story. A Day Without a Phone. Carlos learned that life without a phone can be funny, and also beautiful. We can see more. We can listen more. We can feel more. Maybe we all need one quiet day, a day with no phone. Thank you for listening to English for Beginners. Simple Stories. We hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new words. If you liked this episode, listen again tomorrow for another simple and fun story. Until next time, stay happy, stay curious, and maybe put your phone down for a while.